He's turned my morning into dancing again. He's lifted my sorrows. I can't stay silent. I must sing, for this joy has come. Oh, he's turned my... Alright, so this is the Berries palette. Eyes are prepped and ready to go. This is 16, I think this is 16. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, 16 pans. Beautiful mirror. You get the gist. This is Berries. This is the third one they released. I do not think they have the 2.0 version of this, which is why your lady friend does not have the 2.0, because if they did, the kid would have gotten that. The brows a little big today, just excuse them, you know. Brows, every day is a different brow, okay? Eyes are prepped and primed. And let's get into this look, Claret. Let's talk about this palette. This is beautiful. I mean, I have been on a roll with this palette. I'm going to be using Claret. I think that's what it's called. Clarets. Lulucore. Imagine somebody named you Claret. Is that a thing? What is Claret? Let's see. Daiquiri, Curve, Macaron, Lilo. I don't know these names. I don't know if they're names of food or what have you. I don't know. We're just gonna pat on Claret on this eye right here. So guys, it is a deep red in the pan. It is looking a bit lighter red, but it is really not lighter red. Okay, so guys, what do you think about moving? My mom is moving and it is a nightmare. I hate moving. I hate moving out and I hate moving in. It is a pain in the behind. I'm gonna go into Curve, which is this. Let me see what that looks like. I don't know what it's gonna look like. I used Claret on my eyelid and I used Lilo to blend it out. Now I'm going to create a mini cut crease so I can put a shimmer color on this eye. Moving is a nightmare, and I believe, let me use a brush. I believe that getting a dumpster, if you have a lot of things to throw away, is the way to go. And also getting people to move for you and putting, well, first of all, getting boxes and putting all of your stuff and labeling it. Getting boxes, getting bags is not a bad idea at all, in my humble opinion, because moving can be hellish, so to speak. This is the eye that we've created over here. Don't worry, everything normally comes together with lashes and the whole face done. Now we are going to go into the second eye. Yes, so yeah, what I was saying, my tips on moving, we are moving right now. It kind of makes things a little easier. It's still a nightmare as far as I'm concerned, but you know, you gotta do what you gotta do, okay? You just gotta do what you got to do. Let's clean this brush. So getting like big old trash bags to put your trash and to put clothes, and mostly clothes. What else? Linens. Towels.
Wigs.
Makeup palettes. I'm going into journal. Makeup palettes into trash bags? No.
Yes, if you're trying to get rid of them because your wife has too many.
Anyway, please do not put your makeup palettes or your makeup in trash bag. Put them in boxes. Boxes can be gotten from Walmart, U-Haul, Home Depot, I think. Get ours from Walmart. So please do not put your makeup in trash bags as otherwise stated. Good. I don't really like what this color is doing. I don't know if you guys can see it. That right there in my crease is weird.
Also need shrink wrap. Shrink wrap is great for wrapping fragile things as well.
Well, ain't nobody gonna get no shrink wrap.
I have shrink wrap.
Did you get
That's how I know.
when you were moving? Did you
Yes,
get shrink wrap?
absolutely.
That's a lie.
That is not a lie. That is the absolute truth. Shows you who was doing the packing and doing the real moving.
I was.
You was sitting on your tuffy, whining and complaining. Yeah, I don't wanna move. I don't wanna move. I wanna stay here in this hole in the wall until I'm old.
That is not true. That is
true.
Talking to him anymore, guys. We are done.
I'm just saying.
So those are some of my tips for you to move. Get a trash bag, get boxes, and label them, please. Label everything because that's really going to help you when you eventually move. Trust me. Daiquiri. I had to stop drinking because of stomach issues. Guys, daiquiri is so beautiful. OMG. What? So yeah, those are my tips for you guys. So of course we are going to be going into the berries palette for the cheeks. So of course when you're moving, get all the help that you can get because eeny, meeny, miny, mo, don't know which color to use. All of these colors are very face friendly. So I'm going to, as far as I'm concerned, okay, I'm going to go into Lilo because Lilo is also on my eyes, very pigmented. I'm going to be very light-handed. Yes. I'm going to go into bubblegum, this bubblegum color, pigmented, and I'm going to put that on the other side just because I love blush. I think blush gives life to your look, makes you look alive. You know, after putting it on all those colors, foundation, powder, highlighter, you're looking like ghosts. You're looking like drag queens, honey. Nothing against drag queens, but you need to put some life back in that face. I'm going to do some highlight from this palette because I'm feeling these colors, and one of these colors is calling my name. It is called Cloud. Yes. Right there, it's just a little bit of shimmer, nothing major. Oh, and it's dual chrome too. What? Tell me something. I was just looking at other colors I could put, but you know, let me not overwhelm you guys. What do you guys think of this look? I know they look pretty similar. I just tried to create two looks from a 16-pan palette, you know, so they kind of look the same, but yeah. Now I always like to put my highlighter right there, baby, right there. Let's go finish the face because the face is not finished. Let's just create definition right there. Okay, that's it. Just creating definition, some depth, some dimension to the face. That's it. Do you, baby, do you. It's makeup. You can wash it off at the end of the day. Don't get all hung up on trends and lose your way. Find your signature look and go with it, okay? So yes. Now for the lips, I'm gonna do some color this time. I'm tired of the nude lips, okay? Hey. Ma fọwọ́ kan bẹ̀yẹn, ijó ni kò bá mi jó, baby. So this is the close-up of the eye look. See what I did there? Give me some props now, you guys. So I'm gonna use this old OG. Who remembers the Milani Hot Flash lip color? I'm just gonna put that in the middle of my lips. And just bounce it around. And I'm going to go into Taffy Tease. This is by Fenty Beauty. It's the mini lip gloss bombs. And I'm going to put that, I'm just gonna wear a gloss, okay? But I wanted the gloss to have some body. That's what you can do when you want your gloss to have body. Just put a little bit of lipstick or lip color. In fact, eyeshadow self. Lay it down on your lips and then put lip gloss. It will have pigment. You see what I did there? This is a beautiful color. And if I tell you, ooh, I love Fenty lip balms. I don't know, there's something about the Fenty lip cream, lip gloss, lip balms, whatever they're called, that just calls my name. It's just like BeautyETC, come. It looks so delectable, like kissable, like mwah, mwah. Okay, enough of that. I'll be right back. Baby, your rich auntie is back, and this, I think this has got to be my favorite out of all of the palettes. The Beauty Bay Berries palette. The kid is feeling herself. What do you guys think? Is there really any difference in both eyes? They don't look too different to me. It just looks, both of them just look pretty. All right, guys, if you enjoyed the content, please subscribe. I repeated that for emphasis. I'm repeating again, please subscribe. And if you have already subscribed, thank you so much. I appreciate you. I love you guys. I appreciate your time. I know everybody's busy. Thank you for leaving comments. Much for watching. I hope you enjoyed watching, having fun, talking about certain things in the video. If you enjoyed it, please subscribe. See you in my next video, and thank you so much for watching.